state or the prosecution has had this application since January, and even the hearing of application was concluded in May. They came to court and said that they couldn't make a reply yet because the person, the investigations officer, was out of the country. He couldn't even tell court when that person will come back. And of course, we made our frustrations known. We believe this is a continuation of the abuse of these people's rights. They've been in detention for over a year. They have made this application, it's almost 7 months now since we started hearing of just the bail application, which is a right because applying for bail is a constitutional right. At least we should apply and court pronounces itself on our application. And we still call that we couldn't even know when this person who is supposed to reply to application will be back. We don't even know whether he's in the country, we don't know whether he will come back. And we just relied on the statements of the bad statements of the prosecutors. So we believe this is a continuation of the abuse that we've talked about, because we know that all these charges are politically motivated and they have no legal standing. But court gave them one last chance up to the 26th of June. We sought a commitment from court that what happens when we come back on the 26th and they tell us the same stories. And we hope that when we come back, one, court has ordered them that they should have made the reply, but we can be ready to hear their reply and then court can make a decision on the bail application. So we shall be back on the 26th of June for hearing of that application.
The continued persecution of these our comrades, like we have already said, this is not persecution. It's not about a case, a lawful case. This is persecution. These people have been away from their families for more than a year. I want you to look at these family members. Many of them are poor. These young men have families, they have children.
Chura bamujja waka ku mulimu ne bamutwala piki ne bagiwamba yantujjidde mu akasente mutwani jenga sente ziyamba abaana be okiwulira kulube kubanga yingidde mu bufuzi muno abaana abo bato ate kati ababonya lwaki ababonya abakuba amayinja ku mutwe lwaki akuba bazzukulu b'amayinja oba abaana be gira gwayagala okitegeera banne abaana babate tebalina musango Museveni yonna gy'oli banneeta abaana baffe.